Welcome to Updating Renewals. In this video, you'll learn how to locate automatically created renewal submissions, update the renewal information for the next policy year, submit renewal updates to underwriting for proposal preparation, review adding loss runs, notes, and tasks to complete renewal submissions, and view proposals and requests to bind within Snap. Updating your renewal submission is easy in Snap. The underwriting team may send you an email notification to request updated renewal information. When you click the link, the Snap login page appears. After logging in, the renewal submission will open, ready for you to update. You can also locate any of your renewal submissions on the Snap homepage. First, make sure you are looking at the correct submission list on the homepage. Use the drop-down option to select the correct list if necessary. The renewal icon will identify the submission as a renewal. Once you've located the submission you want to update for renewal, click the insured name to view the detailed forms. For a quick reference to more details before making your selection, click on the Expand icon on the right side of the page. Let's open an account. The submission opens on the Submission Overview page and provides information such as the assigned underwriting team. Hovering on a person's name displays their contact information. Start your updates by clicking the Application page link in the left nav to open and review the info for the upcoming year. Review the fields under each sublink for changes needed for the new policy year. To open the fields for typing, click the Actions button and select Modify Submission. The status summary shows modifications in progress as you make your changes, and all fields on the application are open for update. Next, click the Locations Class Code sublink. Review all the location data for any information that needs updating for the new policy year. To add an additional location, click the plus button in the Location Data header row. Or delete a location by clicking the trash can icon, select the row or rows to delete, and click Delete. On this form, you'll also review the class code data for any information that needs updating for the new policy year. Be sure to review and update employee and payroll information. Be sure to scroll through the entire Locations Class Codes page to review and update all information for the new policy year. Next, open the Accord Questions sublink and review the data for any necessary changes. When making changes to any of the application forms, new required data may become necessary. But Snap always lets you know when there is required information on any tab. Just look for a red asterisk. For every change, Snap keeps a record of the change that appears when you click the Submit Modifications button. Completing required fields removes the notice. Next, click the Supplemental Info sublink to review and update that data. Be sure to scroll down to the bottom of the page to review all of the questions. You do not need to update the experience data. Now that your changes are complete, click the Submit Modifications button to review each of the pending changes. Not sure you're ready to submit? If you can't finish all the updates now, add a note in the collaboration area for underwriting that you're in the process of making changes. Then it's okay to close the submission. Snap will save your changes and keep the app in Modifications in Progress mode. You can reopen the submission at any time from the homepage. The application form automatically opens in Modifications in Progress mode. Click the Discarded Modifications button to cancel your previous changes. Click the Submit Modifications button to review the details of your previous changes. Let's submit these changes. Click Submit Changes to apply the updates to the renewal application. For an IQ renewal, Snap applies your submitted changes immediately and either presents a quote automatically or refers the submission to your underwriting team for review. For a non-IQ renewal, the changes are referred to the underwriting team for review and approval before they're applied to the renewal submission. You'll see Modifications Submitted in the Status Summary section. The Recent Activity widget displays messages that alert you to the changes you've submitted. You can learn more about the other features for the Recent Activity widget in the Collaboration Training module. You can create a note in the Collaboration tools to notify the underwriting team about other renewal details or if you've not completed your updates. The Collaboration Training module gives you information on creating a note. We'll use the Files section in Collaboration to attach updated loss runs. Use the Files section in Collaboration to add loss run documents to the renewal. Loss runs must be valued within 120 days of the renewal effective date for up to 4 years where ICW was not the carrier. Again, you can refer to Collaboration Training for details on how to add attachments. Before leaving the renewal, you can create a task in the Collaboration section to remind yourself about upcoming work for this renewal. Tasks are also visible on the homepage in the Task widget. Look at the Recent Activity widget on the homepage for notice that underwriting has acknowledged changes for this renewal. They will review any new information and collaborate with you to prepare the renewal proposal. Collaboration with the underwriting team occurs from within Snap, email, and phone. Underwriting may also assign you a task if they need additional information for the renewal. When the proposal is ready, you will receive an email from Snap. The quote is an attachment in the email and can be opened or downloaded right from the email. When you're in Snap, you'll see the email and a message in the Collaboration window. The cover letter and proposal appear as separate pages of one document and may be printed and downloaded. Use the document tools for reviewing, printing, and downloading. When you're ready, click Request to Bind. For a proposal with multiple quotes, you're prompted to select just one quote to bind. Now you can review the renewal quote with the insured, and when ready, open the quote sublink in the left nav. Request binding right within Snap. Then click Yes to confirm, and your binding request begins processing and the underwriting team is notified. The summary status shows bind requested for you. When processing is completed, use the Submission drop-down to close the submission. When underwriting completes binding, the summary status shows bound. A policy number is automatically generated and you'll receive an email. In this video, we learned how to locate automatically uploaded renewal accounts, update the renewal information for the next policy year, submit renewal updates to ICW Group Business Development Underwriters for proposal creation, review added loss runs, notes, and tasks to complete renewal submissions, and view proposals and request to bind within Snap. We hope this video answered your questions. If you still need assistance, we're happy to help. See our Snap resource area for additional videos and guides at icwgroup.com/snap or simply call your ICW Group Business Development Underwriter. Thanks for watching.